What's up guys, welcome back to yet another NC Miata video. Today we got some R-Theory hood vents to install on the NC Miata. Now I gotta give a big shout out to R-Theory for sending these hood vents out for the NC. These are their prototype of hood vents for the NC. They do offer also hood vents for NA, NB, and also a few other cars as well, but this is their version of hood vents for the NC, and they sent these out for us to install, and I can't wait because I think these are going to be the first hood vents on the NC Miata from them, so I'm pretty pumped to install these things. They're super quality, and you guys can see it's a black powder coat to go with them. But I was talking with R-Theory, and these are definitely going to be available on their website. I'll link everything in the description below. It's a 3-panel hood vent for the NC. There's a couple other companies that make hood vents for NCs, but not the 3-panel, and I'm pretty pumped to install these things. So I got to give a big shout out to them for sending them out, and I also got to apologize because they sent these things out probably 3 or 4 months ago, but that was right at the point of me breaking my wrist, and that was definitely kind of a setback. So we got the wrist back, and it's time to install these things on the NC Miata. All right guys, well we hopped on the head cam here, and as you guys can see, what I have in my hand are the templates that R-Theory gives you to install their hood vents. And these are going to be really helpful for, like I said, doing the stencil and also making sure that your hood vents are going to be aligned. So what they do is they give you this little packet, and then you're going to have to basically line up the holes. They give you all the directions right here of what to do. And once you do that, then you're going to cut out the inner side of this stencil right here, and then we'll tape up the hood with painter's tape. We'll lay all the stencils down, and then we're going to mark and trace out basically we're going to trace out this stencil onto the hood on the painter's tape, and then from there we can go ahead and start cutting the hood once we've measured twice, probably 10 times, because we don't want to mess it up, right? You gotta have like a one and done kind of thing. So let's go ahead and get to cleaning up the hood and then doing painter's tape on the hood. Alright guys, well we got the hood all painter's taped up. I'm sure you could do it differently than this. This is definitely, like, in my opinion, for me, the best possible scenario, just so I have all the painter's tape, also I don't scratch the hood or anything like that. So I kind of I didn't go all the way up to the front because the hood the vent starts right here, but able to still see this dent and everything in here too. The hood basically dent that comes factory, but this should be good. And I might have to put another strip up here, but we got the painter's tape on, and now we can lay our stencil down. I also did all the measurements, which I'll tell you about already, so I can just, you know, lay the stencil on, trace it out, and go from there. Well guys, this is it's time to destroy the hood. Not going back now. Let's go, let's get it. We got the first cut done. Now I think we could just rip this off. I think it's just glued. Just like that, man. Bye-bye hood. So light, honestly. I guess this hood is pretty light. Look at that, man. Just leave it like that. It's perfect. We got this hole pretty much good. If you put the vent in there, it looks pretty good. We're gonna have to do minimal trimming just so you don't see too much of the hood. But she sits down in there pretty nicely, and that's gonna look sick. You can see how it like sits pretty flush with the hood now. Just gotta put the rivets in, drill the holes and stuff. But we're gonna cut these first and then probably do some final trimming. But let's go ahead and cut this middle one now. Alright guys, well we got all these guys cut out and you can see it's coming off now. Just like that. It's crazy how just the top portion is just glued on there, honestly. It's kind of crazy. One. This guy's kind of just pop it out here. Probably need a little bit more trimming probably. Yeah. Get it up under there. Two. It's a lot of glue, man. You think this one's out?
Yeah, probably will.
I don't know. The corner's not coming up. That's the biggest thing. This corner. Can't get the corner. Oh, there you go. There you go. It's just glued. Nice. And 4. We took all the tape off and vacuumed all the crap off and stuff, but I highly recommend covering your windshield, cover as much as your car as possible because you're gonna have so much metal dust everywhere. Definitely need a tarp or a blanket to put over your engine underneath of it, because if I didn't have that, literally the motor would be ruined just from all the dust everywhere. You'd never get it back out. So make sure you lay stuff on your hood around the entire side of your car, like in the engine bay and stuff. But we took it all off. It looks super good. The cuts look pretty clean. On the underside, I'm definitely gonna get some trim ordered off Amazon just to make it clean when you pop the hood. But the top looks pretty great, so let's just pop these vents in now. It goes here. Boom. And then you got the middle one. Bing, bada boom. Nice. You can see we have minimal silver showing through. That's what we kind of want. This one kind of needs to be adjusted a little bit. There we go. Nice. And now it's time. We basically lined everything back up, and we actually already drilled all the holes for the rivets, and you guys can actually see that they're already in here. And we actually already did this side, so all these are down, and that's what the vent looks like. It looks pretty clean. Really like the look of it. The bummer thing here, the rivet gun, it just broke this off, so I'll have to cut that off and probably just touch it up with black paint, which actually we did get. I'm not sure exactly. Oh, it's right here. So we got this black paint to go around the edges on the inside as well. So that's what we did, is painted the inside under the vent, so you won't be able to see any silver of the hood. So that's definitely a good recommendation to do as well. Is I just got this from the auto parts store. But we're about to go the middle and then this left vent with the rivet gun. And then after that, we'll be basically done. I think under the hood, I'll probably get some black trim for it, but that'll be a little bit later. But the hoods look pretty solid. Definitely under the light, they look good too. So let's get this done. These things look pretty sweet, not gonna lie. Get like an angle this way. Can't really see it too good, but like they look sick, man. Looks super cool. I think they look pretty sick. Definitely comment down below what you guys think, but I like how it's a 3-panel, because like I said, I think the other company only has 2, the Singular Motorsports ones, but dude, these things look solid. Our Theory did a good job with everything, and I think they look really good, and they complement everything, especially with the black RPF ones. I think it looks really aggressive. You guys, what it looks like underneath, I think that looks pretty sick, honestly. Full race car under here. It's definitely pretty jagged, which like I said, I'm gonna get some rubber to put around the edges so it look pretty good when you pop the hood and stuff. But oh, also If you guys haven't seen that, the turbo, everything's on. The next thing is just putting fluids in it and buttoning up a little bit more stuff. But those hood vents though, dude, the turbo is the reason for the hood vents for sure too. And also looks, they look sick, but whew, fire. If you guys are interested in picking these hood vents up, I'll definitely link them down in the description below, and also R-Theory's website. Definitely go check them out. I also have my discount code for you guys down below as well in the description. Like I said, if you guys are interested in any parts, they have a lot of stuff on their website, not just only hood vents for cars or anything like that. They have a lot of cool different parts for different cars too, not just Miatas. Definitely go check them out. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that install of the R-Theory NC hood vents. They look sick, and big shout out again to R-Theory for sending those things out, because the NC really needs it with the turbo kit just for cooling, and also they look sick too. So definitely comment down below if you guys like them. Smash that like button. As always, GPG, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out guys. We'll see you in the next one.